Times when I'm thinking about.
Again, do you guys want to get your life together? No. Do you guys want to get my life together with me? Alright, let's do it. So, what's today? What is today? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. My house is a mess. My life is a mess. I have class. I just got up. I just woke up. That's why I have a bonnet on my head. And it's probably going to stay because my wig is right there. So I have to get my life together. My desk, my room is, everything is a hot mess. So we gotta get it together. We gotta get together. And I need you guys. And I missed you guys so much. So much has happened. My mother-in-law passed away and I had to take a break because mentally I just couldn't because I lost my mom a year ago. A year and a half ago due to COVID. And my mother-in-law, she had a blood clot to the lung. In her lung, and she had brain damage from loss of oxygen, and yeah, so don't want to talk about that right now, but anyways, we gotta get it together. I have to clean my bedroom, and then I have a paper to write. I have 2 papers to write for my psychology classes, because if you don't know, your girl is getting her master's in industrial psychology, industrial organizational psychology, and then after that I'm gonna apply to the PhD program so that I can become a licensed counselor, dealing with young children who have suffered traumatic events in their life. So yeah, that's the plan, that's the goal. But I'm not gonna do too much. I'm not gonna get dressed or anything. You guys are just gonna be here for it all. So let me show y'all. Let me turn the camera around and show y'all what we're working with. All right, so we have to clean my desk area, make the bed, get rid of the clothes over here, put the cover on this duvet, empty out this and this guy right here. This is my side of the closet. As you can see, that's my husband. It's fairly organized, but then you come around here, I got wigs on the floor, and I got bags everywhere, and then yeah, so it's fairly organized. I just need to put the stuff away. So you guys are gonna do that with me. But first, we gotta spy on the neighbors. Wait a minute. You guys can't see. Oh, what are they doing? Nosy. All right, and then, come on, focus. Focus. All right, yeah. Then there's my bathroom. I don't know how it ever got this way, but the goal is to clean it up, not clean it. Clean it up. There's a big difference. But anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna do coffee because I usually do coffee when I do my schoolwork. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But your girl has lost weight. Oh, I don't know. I was trying to show y'all something, but I don't think it. You guys get what I'm trying to say, okay? The goal for this month is to lose 10 pounds, so that's what we're working on. Anyways, let's get cleaning. Okay, so I was all motivated and everything. Now I can't find the charger for my camera battery. So the motivation has left the building. That's one thing about me. When I'm determined to do something and something comes in the way, it's just like it sucks the life out of me and I just can't. So I'm gonna lay here for the next 30 minutes and contemplate my entire life, because why is life so hard for me? The day that I decide that I'm gonna get back into doing YouTube and be the boss, you know, it's just not working. Like, and then I went in my emails today and I had about 10 companies that wanted to work with me, and I'm like, dude, I haven't put out a YouTube video in like 4 months. Why you want to work with me? And then God just was like putting it on my heart. He was like, you're just, you know, blowing away your potentials. So I responded back to a few, and I was like, hey, if you're willing to work with me, your girl's willing to do what it takes, you know what I mean? But I have to at least put forth the effort. But I can't find my freaking charger. I need to find it. That was God pushing me up off the bed. He's like, get up, get up. You need to get up. You need to get up. You need to find it. We're gonna find it. And when I do, I'm gonna come back right here and let y'all know that I found it. What the heck is up with my arm? They're getting so small. I had these pair of glasses the other day.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. That we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. Things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. I was kidding myself. Now I know you don't love me, even though you said that you'd never leave me. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, leaving me on my own. Can't you see? You had my heart. Turn into a liar. Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. You weren't always like this. Don't know what happened to you. Put my trust in you. Guess that I couldn't do that. Oh, but I know now I shouldn't trust a word that comes out of your mouth. I was kidding myself. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Now you're gone, ran away from me, me here all alone without saying goodbye. Tell me, 'cause I wanna know. Oh, just please tell me why. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Hey, you had my heart in your right. Why did you go? Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Why did you have to turn into a liar? Into a liar. Into a liar. Into a liar. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know, we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes